Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will do a makeup tutorial, my makeup look at work. It's actually Emirates cabin crew makeup. I start with foundation. I use Born This Way from Too Faced. It's not full coverage foundation. It's very light and it's very good for the aircraft environment. After that, I use the concealer for my under eyes, and I also apply it if I have any dark spot or pimple. I do my eyebrows with pencil from Maquillage. I like the natural look for my eyebrows, so I brush them and I just fill the empty spaces. I don't like them too dark. I use some concealer again, just to clean up my eyebrows and also around my eyes. For eyeshadow, I'm using a palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I choose a brown, dark brown color for my eyeshadow. I added some white highlighter on top of my eyes to give it some light. And for eyeliner, I don't use an actual eyeliner, I just use a pencil and I draw half wing. I use a small brush to make my eyes look smoky. And then I use mascara from Lancome. I add some highlights using a bronzer from MAC. Last but not least, the famous red lipstick. And this is it. This is the quick makeup look before I go to work. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.